Goldie, come on, it's hike time. Goldie, you're coming with us. She said no. She went outside and lay down. Come on, Goldie, it's hike time. I know it's early, but you enjoy the hikes. Well, it's your trail. There's a waterfall up there. It's pretty. It's just a bunch of rocks.
Yep.
Goldie's over there scratching. Hi, baby girl. Hey, I'm the one that called you, not him. I'm the one that called you. How are you enjoying your hike? So this is where the avalanche was?
Yeah, this is the old, well...
That's looking like 10, 20 years of growth, yeah. Yeah, so that...
These at fetch time? Is that what you're saying? Oh, you found a bone. It's starting to get to a pretty view. Oh look, I found it. Little Christmas trees. That's cute. Goldie's the leader of our pack.
What do you think she is?
I don't know, she's the one in front leading us to where we're going. That's such a pretty view. Is that still snow in the mountains or no?
That is snow.
Whoa.
Spots. No, somebody painted those rocks white.
Babe, we made it to the lake. Babe, it's your lake. Go on, Goldie, go, go, go.
There they are.
Such a pretty view. Found a way to get down to get her water. Good girl. We're about to go see waterfalls. I'm excited. And we lost 2 chickens. That's kind of sad. Babe, come on. It's waterfall time.
I'm waiting for Mom.
Oh, she comes. Here's some of the waterfall. It's pretty. We're part of the way up. We're up at the top. Goldie's trying to get some water. Will has to carry the little dog up because it got stuck.
I think she was scared, so she went down.
Uh-huh. Oh my gosh. We're just hanging out by the waterfall. She's a cutie. There's the waterfall. She's also a cutie. Look at her. Will has to carry the little dog all the way up the steep part. Goldie, be careful. Oh man. Let's look.
Dad said that was where the trail was.
Goldie, be careful. Looks fun. Oh, Goldie, was the rocks too exhausting for you? You're almost all the way covered.
That was funny.
Are you going to be carried the whole time, Vinny? That dog. It's a nice view.
Of Wheeler too.
It's a pretty view of your lake. Where's Wheeler?
I always like coming over here.
Up top, that very top thing is Wheeler?
Yeah.
Huh.
It's the highest.
Go over it. Good girl. And the little dog just walks around. You did a mid-hike scratching. Oh my gosh. Do you see her? See her face, babe?
Mm-hmm.
She's like the chickens going in a dirt bath. Goldie, have you taken after the chickens? Chickens do dirt baths too. She's doing good staying with us now. I need to tell her where her bone is on the way down. Hi, buddy. How are you? Goldie, look, a squirrel. Goldie, squirrel.
Where are you trying to go over?
Because there's a squirrel she can chase. Look how cute he is. There's another squirrel. There's a squirrel. Look how cute he is. I want him as a pet. Goldie's just resting after our hike. We're out by the creek. It's pretty out here.
That's all, folks.